So guys, we're going on an Amala hunt. Where's my glasses? Now we are complete. Because without these things,
I cannot see shit.
no. So we're going for an Amala hunt under the rain.
Okay. Come with us.
Come with us, guys.
Come with us.
We just got one, but imagine they don't have plastic, so we're gonna try improvise and go and buy plastic to eat this Amala, because why? What are you looking for inside? So guys, my baby brought me plastic and I got my Amala. He came to pick me up. He's so romantic, guys. He loves me with all his heart.